Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're taking a close look at a handy little vacuum that promises big performance despite its compact size. The BLACK+DECKER dustbuster cordless handheld vacuum. Whether you need to quickly clean up the kitchen, tackle pet hair, or even get your car interiors sparkling, this vacuum claims to have you covered. It's lightweight, portable, and equipped with a high-performance lithium-ion battery. Let's dive in and see if it really delivers. The BLACK+DECKER dustbuster stands out with its promise of convenience and versatility. This handheld vacuum is powered by a lithium-ion battery, which means it's rechargeable and provides consistent suction power for quick, effective cleanups. Cordless design makes it easy to move from one space to another, whether you're tackling small messes in your home or going from your kitchen to your car. It's not just for floors either. The included built-in crevice tool makes cleaning tight spaces like between couch cushions or the nooks of car seats a breeze. Plus, the Easy View dirt bowl lets you see when it's time to empty it, which is a small but very practical feature. Maintenance is simple as well, with a washable dirt bowl and filter to ensure strong suction after each clean. And when you're done, the wall mount provides a neat and space-saving way to store it while charging. Performance-wise, this vacuum delivers what it promises. The lithium-ion battery holds up well during use, providing strong suction power, making it ideal for everything from picking up crumbs in the kitchen to dealing with pet hair or dirt in high-traffic areas. I found that it does a solid job on various surfaces, from kitchen counters to upholstery and even carpets, though you'll likely want a heavier-duty vacuum for larger areas or more deep cleaning. The included crevice tool is a game changer for tight spaces, ensuring that nothing gets left behind, and the dirt bowl empties easily without creating a mess. One of the standout features is the washable filter and dirt bowl. Cleaning them is quick and painless, so you can keep the suction power strong over time. However, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. While the suction power is impressive for such a small unit, you might notice a slight drop-off on thicker carpets or when tackling larger debris, as this vacuum is designed more for quick cleanups than heavy-duty cleaning. It's also worth noting that the battery life is great for short bursts of cleaning, but may require a recharge if you plan to tackle more extensive areas, especially in higher power modes. The weight is definitely on the lighter side, which makes it incredibly easy to handle. But if you're planning to do a lot of cleaning at once, the small size and lack of a full-length handle might make it feel less comfortable for extended use. On the plus side, the wall mount is a huge convenience for storage, and the compact design makes it easy to grab and go, whether you're tidying up around the house or cleaning your car interior. The ease of emptying the dirt bowl is another plus. No bags, no fuss. Now, let's talk value. At its price point, this handheld vacuum offers solid performance, especially for quick cleanups and smaller spaces. Its portability and rechargeable battery make it a great option for people on the go or those in smaller homes or apartments. Compared to other handheld vacuums, the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster offers a nice balance of features, including a decent suction power and the convenience of a built-in crevice tool. However, for deep cleaning larger areas, you may want to look at vacuums with stronger suction or longer battery life. For those seeking a quick, efficient cleanup tool that can be used anywhere around the home or car, this is a solid choice. When comparing this to other vacuums in the same category, you'll find a few similar models that might compete. The Shark Wand Vac and the Dyson Micro 1.5 kilograms come to mind, both of which offer more robust suction for tougher jobs. However, these alternatives come at a higher price, and their cordless operation may not be as convenient for quick cleanups. If you're primarily looking for something lightweight, portable, and easy to store, the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster holds its own in the market. In terms of build quality, this vacuum is well designed. It's lightweight and doesn't feel flimsy despite its plastic construction. The dirt bowl and filter design are simple but effective, and the crevice tool fits snugly, ensuring easy access to tight spaces. As for maintenance, it's straightforward. Clean the filter and dirt bowl regularly to maintain suction, and the wall mount is an easy way to keep it charged and ready to go. Regarding customer service, BLACK+DECKER generally has a solid reputation, with helpful support for warranty issues or product questions. I haven't encountered any major issues with this vacuum, but it's always good to know that support is just a call away should you need it. To wrap it all up, the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster Cordless Handheld Vacuum is an excellent option for those seeking a quick, easy-to-use, portable vacuum for everyday messes. It excels in smaller spaces, provides solid suction for its size, and is easy to maintain. While it might not be the best for heavy-duty jobs or larger areas, its affordability and convenience make it a great choice for quick cleanups, especially in the kitchen or car. If you're someone who values portability, ease of use, and straightforward functionality, this vacuum could be exactly what you're looking for. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Reviewsinsidetv, and ring the bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Got any questions about the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching, and remember, a clean home is a happy home. Until next time, keep it clean, folks.